The other day, I stumbled across the UBC Reddit, and wow, I've never seen such a down bad university Reddit on the internet before. This is just, it didn't even look real to me, some of these posts. And the sad thing is that this is just the tip of the iceberg. It's a cultural phenomenon, how everyone is so horny, but also so lonely. This maybe makes sense at a university like BYU, but UBC? I expected better. There is some anecdotal evidence here, but I'm not satisfied. I want to see some real numbers to prove that UBC is the most down bad, the most lonely, and the most desperate. Now, while I don't have brain chips in every university student to see what they're thinking, I do have Reddit, and that's basically the same thing. What I'm gonna do here is write a little bit of code that can analyze Reddit posts. So first, what I need to do is call the Reddit API. I'm gonna fetch the last 500 posts on the UBC Reddit, or else if I call too many, they might ban me because I'm not using a proper authentication. So that's all you do. Easy. Now I have all your cries of desperation on Reddit saved as text here, ready for analysis. What exactly we do with this text now, that's the hard part. I basically need to go through each post and give a score on how down bad it is. So I've decided to break down the term down bad into 3 categories: lonely, infatuated, and let's just say aroused. But I think you kind of know what I mean. How can we assess a post and rank how well it fits one of these 3 categories? What I could do is just look through the words of each post and try and find lonely, sort of use a process like that. But unfortunately, the English language is very complex, and there's a lot of ways to say that I'm lonely without explicitly saying the word lonely. Due to the English language being so complex like this, we need a more complex solution. What we need to do is use something called embeddings. Embeddings are used in things like Amazon product recommendations. You know, when you're in checkout and they're like, well, check out these other ones too. Or another example is like the brain rot TikToks you get on your For You page. That's also using embeddings. And sort of embeddings give us a way to rank the similarity of different words in different sentences. For example, saying, oh my God, my TA, I would drink his bathwater, is very similar to I have a crush. It'll give this score. If we were to say, compare it to I hate math 101, so the score is a lot lower, as you can see. Now that we've got our system down, I just need to import the OpenAI model and then do a little typey, beep, beep, boop, boop. And we have our code already. So I've decided to analyze the top 25 universities in Canada. And these are going to be the ones that I'm going to rank. I just feel like some of the smaller universities might not have a big Reddit presence. It might taint some of the data, if you will. Enough talk about taints. Let's run the code. And now for the final results. Out of the top 22 major Canadian universities, the University of British Columbia officially ranks 3rd in the down bad ratings. Congratulations, UBC. You are surprisingly not number 1. And now you might be wondering, what are the top 2, or where does my university stand in the rankings? Well, all that will be revealed in the next video, so make sure to subscribe and find out. Also, let me know if you want a more in-depth explanation of how this all works. I kept it pretty high level in this video, but comment if that's something that you'd probably be interested in. Have a good semester, all you desperate UBC students, and we'll see you guys in the next video.